So what's going on, guys? How's it going? Well, Red's doing good. I got about 125 miles on it, on this build, with the sniper and everything. So the sniper's getting better. At first, the wideband that I had, my autometer wideband and the sniper wideband, were off by about a point, an entire point. And now that I've been driving it more and more, they've come back down. They're sitting right together. My autometer's on the passenger side, the sniper's on the driver's side. So seems like I'm getting good fuel distribution on the truck. Things running good. In this, I'm going to include some dash cam video and some pictures I've taken. I went down last night to the casinos, did fair, but it's like, what, a 25-mile round trip down there, and it's all highway. I was running highway speeds, which is 65 miles an hour. It's $3,000 in this thing. It is what it is. It's the way the gears are set up and the tire size and all that good stuff. So anyway, we'll get into the other videos, and here soon, let's flip this around real quick. Here soon we'll be doing the wiring nightmare on Pale Horse, because I need to get Pale Horse, because I wanted to start using Pale Horse as my daily driver. So those videos will be coming here in a little while. I'm not working so much anymore. I'm back to my normal routine. We'll have a Monday Night Live tomorrow, so don't forget about that. And we'll get into this. Take it easy, guys. Pictures of the truck on top of the parking structure, but I'll be home after I do this. Alright, love you. Bye bye.